What a rush.
To stay true to the look, I grew out a mustache and cut my hair with my eyes closed. Then I applied some lotion just to close up my pores a bit and help the face paint go on smoothly. Next, I'm sketching out Hawk's spike designs with a cream-colored eyebrow pencil. I like this method because it's perfect for beginners, and you can quickly edit any mistakes by using makeup remover or a Q-tip. The first point comes down the middle of the right cheek to the jawline, followed by the second. The upper point comes up the middle of the forehead and curves at the hairline. It comes down to the central part of the face to the bridge of the nose. To paint this portion, you technically need a bald cap or short hair. The last point swings out above the eyebrow, and the tip ends at the top of the ear. Next, I used Maron Paradise paint to fill in this portion of the design. I would recommend using a medium angled brush because you can taper the points easily and create some nice, crisp edges. You can just as easily use black cream makeup or any glycerin-based makeup for this look, which is actually a preferred style for wrestlers because it's less likely to flake or crack. Fill in around the eye, leaving a small portion exposed so you can fill it in later. Next, I'm using that same white eyebrow pencil to sketch the shield's shape on the left cheek. It curves over the cheekbone and comes to a point in the center of the jawline. Next, I'm applying the color Beachberry from Maron. It's essentially like a classic red or fire engine red. The last step of this look is to fix any mistakes with a Q-tip and makeup remover. You can carefully follow your shape edges to give a nice crisp look. Your look is complete. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other tutorials. Peace.